In this video, I'm going to use these three awesome eyeshadow palettes to create this awesome eye look from Urban Decay, Huda Beauty, and Maëlle Beauty. Hey guys, this is Antoinette, leader of Team Face Fairies and Maëlle Influencer 2 Professional, and welcome to my channel. We're going to use the Urban Decay Metallics palette. We're also going to use Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsessions and use a couple of colors in there as well. And I'm like so excited. And of course, we have to have Maëlle in there. We're going to use the Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette as well. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put concealer on our eyes. Now we're going to take that third color of the Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette and we're going to go ahead and create our crease line, which I've already started doing here. But I just want to share with you. You just sweep it back and forth. If you don't know how to find that, all you have to do is put your fingers on your eye and feel the socket. As soon as you feel the bone, that's where the color should go. And now we're going to take Mullet and we're going to apply it on the eyelid. And I'm applying it with a flat brush. We're going to take our crease brush and we're going to take this brick red here and we're going to apply that right on the crease line. Now we're going to take this lighter of the brick red with a very light hand. Take a fluffier brush, blend it on out. Don't worry if it looks like a hot mess. We'll be able to fix that with our secret illuminator. And we're going to apply that on the outer V. Because we're going to be using that black and the Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to go ahead and put the Fit Me translucent powder all over the bottom just so it's easier to clean up. And now we're going to take this little tiny eyeliner brush and we're going to line the upper eyelashes with the black Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette. And now we're going to go ahead and line the bottom lash. And now we're going to take the smudger brush and we're going to take this darker brown and put it right here under our lower lash line. Okay, and now it's time to do eyebrows and then clean up. I'm going to do my eyebrows with the eyebrow stylus. Take the darker color and take it from the middle and start working it along the hairline. And now we're going to take the Secret Illuminator and do a couple of clicks and clean this on up. And just take your ring finger, blend it on in, easy peasy, clean up. And let's go ahead and clean up some on the outside here. And as a primer, I'm using Maëlle's Wrinkles Away Day Cream. Really important to hydrate your skin, especially if you're more mature. And I love the Wrinkles Away because it plumps up the skin and it helps rebuild collagen and elastin levels. For foundation, I'm going to use the Studio Fix by Smashbox. It's a 15-hour wear. I just want a full coverage. Otherwise, if I was just going to go really natural, I would go with Maëlle's Picture Perfect powders, but I'll be using those as a setting powder. This is Porcelain in the Picture Perfect powder by Maëlle, and this is Beige in the Picture Perfect powder. I like to apply this on the outside. Just give my skin a little bit more dimension. I'm going to put on the Secret Illuminator. And put it right here as well. Now we do our red carpet strobing kit. And the final step is to curl your lashes and put on the Above and Beyond mascara. Apply some cheeky blush. And apply Maëlle's tinted lip balms. This is the color Rose. To learn more about this product, click on the link above. And now, all we need to do is put on some Secret Illuminator here and curl our eyelashes. What was that? Oh my god. Don't forget to subscribe so you are notified of all my other tutorials.